Hi everyone, my name is Adam McGregor and I'm going to be talking to you today on behalf of my colleague Wendy Whitehead and I about the Business Diploma and Business Fundamentals Certificate Program at St. Lawrence College. So Wendy and I are the co-coordinators of these business programs and are excited to have the chance to tell you about the opportunities that await you. Students beginning with us from May 2021 onward will be part of our new program of study that has been developed with feedback from our alumni and our employers to best empower graduates with the human and technical skills required for the future of work. Students in the Business and Business Fundamentals programs will have the opportunity to study a breadth of topics and functional areas of business. Students in these programs will develop problem solving, collaboration, communication, and intercultural skills and apply them within the college, the community, and internationally, helping to establish themselves as global business citizens. Opportunities and coaching will be provided throughout your course of study on how to leverage time and opportunities outside of the classroom for success for employment or future education. We pride ourselves on developing well-rounded, employable graduates with the flexibility and adaptability for success in both the private sector and public sector organizations. The two-year business diploma provides opportunities for rewarding careers in small, medium, and large enterprises, as mentioned in both the public and private sector. The experience our program provides is also designed to support those looking to start their own business or pursue further education pathways, including our Bachelor of Business Administration degree, graduate certificate programs, or through our international partner organizations. On the screen here, you see a small collection of our recent graduates who were once considering taking this program and are now experiencing success in their careers. We welcome the opportunity to tell you more about our program and encourage you to email the coordinator of the campus you're most interested in to ask any follow-up questions you might have. Thank you again for your time from Wendy and I and your interest in our program, and we're hoping that you'll take us up on the opportunity to continue this conversation and allow us to showcase to you the opportunities that await you at St. Lawrence College. Thank you, and we'll see you on November 14th.